Can you solve all these bear hunt questions? What's this? Commendable response, beer. Who was in the cave? Well done, a bear. Who went on a bear hunt? Perfect choice, a family. We're going on a dash hunt. Valid point. Who is going on a bear hunt? Excellent reasoning, a family. There is an animal in the family. Nicely done, a dog. What happened when they see the bear? Correct response, scared. When are they going on a bear hunt again? Accurate answer, never. Do they plan on going for a bear hunt again? Nice work. Where did they find the bear? They found the bear in the dash. Thoughtful answer, cave. What can you see? Panda bear, great work. When do they want to go on another bear hunt? Excellent work, never! Dash, an act of looking for something that is difficult to find. Very good hunt. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Right choice, contact Narayan Changder.